Love Vati dal khaman and looking for a shortcut? Try this recipe and this will become your go-to recipe. Namaste and welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm making instant version of Vateli dalna khaman. Vateli dalna khaman is very popular, they taste amazing, and I thought of preparing instant version of Vateli dalna khaman. Now you must be thinking, how can one make Vateli dalna khaman instantly? I use laddu besan. I buy ready laddu besan from the Indian grocery. You can make your own at home. I have already shared on how to make khaman dokla mixes at home. Laddu besan has that coarse texture. Instead of using besan flour, which is like basically chickpea flour, which is very fine, and khaman can be made from like besan as well, the besan flour as well, but it's totally different texture when it's made by soaking the chana dal or when made using the coarsely ground chickpeas. And the texture comes out just like the khaman made with Vateli dalna khaman. So let's start. Here is how the texture of laddu besan is. Coarsely ground chickpeas. I'm taking 1 cup of laddu besan. To this, add half cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup oil, ginger and green chili paste, turmeric powder, salt, sugar, and here I have boiling water. Be sure to take boiling water and just add a little bit in the beginning because we have already yogurt, oil, mix really well. Laddu besan do not form any lumps, which is great. So you can just dump all ingredients at once and mix it. So the batter comes together very quickly and easily, as you can see. Add water as needed to prepare the batter. Laddu besan soak up good amount of water, so prepare the batter slightly thin. So when we allow the batter to rest, besan get to absorb water and swollen a bit. Cover and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. While the batter is resting, I'm going to prepare the steamer. Take enough water into the steamer. And here I have the khaman tray. Grease khaman tray with oil. Heat up the steamer on a high heat. Let's check the batter. Here I have Eno fruit salt. So here I have about half teaspoon of Eno. Now stir in one direction and stir vigorously until the batter is fluffy and very light. Immediately pour into the khaman tray. Carefully open the lid and place the tray carefully inside. Cover and steam the khaman for about 18 to 20 minutes depending on the thickness of the khaman. Because I have good amount of khaman batter, I'm going to steam for 20 minutes. While the khaman is steaming, let's prepare the tempering known as tadka. On a high heat, take a wok, add about a tablespoon of oil. Keep the lid handy to prevent the mess. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, rye, and let them crack. And here I have the curry leaves, Vito Limro. When the seed starts cracking, cover and turn off the stove. and add curry leaves carefully. So here are the curry leaves. Add and cover immediately. Remove the wok from the stove and keep on side. After 20 minutes, turn off the stove. Immediately open the lid and look at perfectly steamed khaman. Carefully lift the steaming tray and bring onto the heat-proof surface. The perfectly steamed khaman will leave the sides of the tray. Pour the tadka on the top. When the khaman has slightly cooled, run your knife around the edge and cut into the desired shape. Look at the spongy, soft khaman. Using the spatula, loosen all the khaman. Khaman is ready to serve. Garnish with coriander leaves, hara dhania, and some green chili. Let me show you how spongy they are and soft. And look at all those pores. That's the sign of perfect khaman. Alright, so here I have the khaman ready, made out of laddu besan, and I can't wait to dig into this delicacy, one of my favorite. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can also download Bhavna's Kitchen apps totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.